Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have the one you've been waiting for. 2005 Hayabusa 1300 with only 983 miles on the odometer. This bike is a garage queen, perfect showroom condition. We just put brand new tires on it because you can't buy a hypersport bike with 16-year-old tires. It's got a brand new battery. Come on by, make your Hayabusa dreams come true with this gorgeous metallic blue and silver GSX at 1300R. Only 983 miles, just $74.99. Don't miss out on this one. It is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.